Hello traders, Alla on September 29th. We're expecting oil news in the next 11 minutes. Forecast minus 2.5. More negative the number, more bullish the news. More positive the number, more bearish the news. Oversupply on oil, bearish. Undersupply on oil, bullish. So let's go to the charts and let's see what to expect, as we always discuss prior to oil news. Buying this morning, not a good idea. Intelligent trader knows this. Single glimpse is all you need. Intelligent trader was buying here. That's the last entry point. Buying here, extremely aggressive. Buying this morning, absolute gambling. Next, intelligent trader zooms in on day trading chart. In front of you, day trading resistance. In front of you, very powerful reminder where market sold off from. But this is your trading range before oil news. This is your key support. This is your key resistance. You are very well prepared. You understand. Bullish rally overextended. Prior to oil news, price at resistance. It is not an option to buy. Only if price pulling back to support, intelligent trader would be monitoring for long. Let's convert this chart to 1 minute so you can see precision of the system. This is your trading range. This is your day trading brick wall. You choose to buy near this level, your success rate less than 20%. An exact same thing happening on S&P as S&P waiting for oil news. Look at this structure. We've been here for the last 20 minutes. Market is stuck. Price is twin with oil. This is your key day trading chart. So when you're riding institutional power and you zoom into day trading chart, you're trading markets as Alpha Fibonacci chess. Buying this morning at this level is gambling. This is your key support. There is no institutional short. The only thing with a single glimpse intelligent trader knows, buyers exhausted. The only option this morning at overextended rally to monitor for short. However, what is the problem? Support is very, very close. It's a very narrow trading range. That's it. All of your work is done well before the news. And this is S&P with the software in front of you. Lower is better. We've been stuck here waiting for oil news for the last 25 minutes as expected. That's it. Charts are twins. If you're trading 5, if you're trading 15, no matter what chart you trade, identical, exact same analysis applies. You know all of the answers well before the news. Of course, this is ideal place to short from. It's a reversal zone. This is overextended bullish rally. This is your trading range before oil news. No speculation here. Simply strategic intelligent trading. Intelligent trader understands. Institutional rally overextended. Sell-off and crash on oil will be a good news. But when it comes to day trading, one step at a time. This support 74.70 is crucial. This resistance is key. This is your key trading range before oil news. You are very well prepared. You understand where to buy. You understand where to sell. Institutional rally is tired. No sellers yet. Price taking a major pause. As it's doing on S&P right now. It's a pause. So again, here we are traders. Intelligent trader monitors this chart prior to oil news. Again, if you're a day trader, you understand institutional rally overextended. There are no sellers yet. If oil opening up at resistance, the only option to monitor for short, but short is very limited because 74.70 is your key support. Intelligent trader allows oil to settle down and monitors the test at this support. No sellers when it comes to institutional chart yet. Buyers exhausted. Sell-off for day trader will be a good news. But 74.70 is a key day trading support. Here comes the pullback. There is no surprise, all precise. Extremely limited trading range. Oil news is out. We have no idea what the news is, do we? The only thing we are extremely clear, this is your trading range before oil news. The only option to short from. You don't have any option to buy. No matter how bullish news is, this is the only option because on S&P it's a bold red line, because on oil it's a key resistance. Currently oil testing bold pink line, there is no surprise. Currently S&P is testing bold green line, charts are twins with software versus not. So we still, here we go, oil news finally come out. Extremely high oversupply. Very bearish news. Such a good news. Such a brilliant news for intelligent trader. Correct? Everyone seeing that? And that's the software with S&P. And that's the only trade this morning the trader would touch. S&P reached key target, and if oil crushes, it's a beautiful news. We knew extremely well before oil news. That's not a place to buy. Correct? That's it. Do not overcomplicate trading, pretty please. Obey the rules and the sky's are the limit. You decide what you want to trade. Trade is not on 1 minute. Trade converted to 1 minute so you can see to the tick precision of the software. You decide. Is it S&P? You decide. Is it oil? Crash on oil will be such a good news because at the end of the day, institutional rally overextended. This historical event, this historical reversal was breathtaking. So again and again and again, there is no surprise, all precise. Here we are, 5 minutes after oil news, price is showing you clearly. Obey the rules and the sky's the limit. Do not speculate, do not gamble, know your trading range before any news. And when you do, understand the power of Alpha Fibonacci System, and you trade with the rules, the sky's the limit. And pay attention how oil reversing from key support despite extremely bearish news. There is no surprise, all precise. Never underestimate the power of bold pink line. Never underestimate where to exit your short. No speculation here. This is with software. This is not. You decide if you want to trade with software or not. Choice is yours. Know your trading range before any news. And when you do, the sky's the limit. Obey the rules and identify what's appropriate for you. Is it S&P or is it oil? Is it software or not? Choice is yours. You can trade the system on all platforms. Shock or not, horrific bearish news does not mean a thing when Alpha Fibonacci support is present. That's it. Pure and simple. Ultimate precision, ultimate bullish reversal despite very bearish news. Oil skyrocketing almost 100 points up. And you knew this before it played out. This is not a place to short, correct? But this is identical support on Apple. During the most bearish news on Apple, the worst earnings in 13 years. But support on Apple was respected. And Apple skyrocketed 2 years later, doubling the value. So if you can trade one instrument, you can trade them all with Alpha Fibonacci system. You are not speculating, you are not gambling. And when synchronicity is present, you buy the market. That's it. Choice is yours if you want to trade the software or not. Bullish rally on oil picking up the steam. 100 points right now. No surprise, all precise. Once again, Alpha Fibonacci system drastically more accurate than bearish news. So please make an effort. Attend live classes. View the videos, read modules 24/7. And when you do, you can trade any instrument you choose. You can trade Bitcoin. You know all of this in advance. You can trade Forex, traders do. On euros, this will be next key support, and you know this months ahead. You also know that if you are collapsing to here, it's a historical low. Where euro reversed from is no surprise. Tesla had done exactly the same bold pink line as oil have done after the bearish news. Reversal zone on Tesla is next. That's it. Choice is yours. Is it S&P? Is it Apple? That's selling off, testing key support. Identical rules, identical system applies. The only difference, risk management and trade hold time. The only difference, if you want to hold position a minute, a 5, a 15, an hour, a day, a week, a month, choice is yours. You decide what's appropriate for you and your account size. So if you decide to join us, you would be trading with hedge fund managers. You would be trading with Andy, hedge fund manager in London, who brought his son Dominic to the course. This is what Dominic done during crisis. This is showing you simplicity of the system. But when you will choose to trade with the highest quality trade, the skies are the limit. Listen to the podcasts, please, and understand. If these traders can do it, so can you. Choice is yours. What you will decide to trade, it is absolutely your choice. Is it stocks? Or is it S&P? Or is it Nasdaq? If Jennifer can do it with two little babies at home, so can you. Her husband Emmanuel brought her to the course. Thousands and thousands and thousands of emails later, you can see the power of the system during the worst news. Once again, every single one of these traders making an effort. And when they do, the sky's the limit. You are trading with hedge fund managers. You are trading with beginner traders. You decide, is it stocks? Is it option? You decide, is it Nasdaq? You decide, is it Bitcoin? Absolutely your choice. Only you can identify what's appropriate for you. So when you come to the website, you can always request invitation to the trading room, where you can see the power of the system and the live markets. But please review everything on the website, as it shows clearly system traded globally by traders of all levels on all platforms, or software for Ninja 8. So if you would like to utilize the scanner, this is what scanner looks like. This is what you use for day trading, but you can modify the scanner for position trading. You can insert any instrument, absolutely any instrument you choose, and again and again and again. This is a software in front of you each and every day. You decide how you want to trade. So please listen to our podcast channel. Please view students' emails I receive and choose from option appropriate for you. If you are signing up during the months of October and November, bootcamp included with every single package on the website, with a lifetime system for any platform, or lifetime software for Ninja 8 and lifetime system for any platform, with 3 months group course or 4 months private mentoring, all live classes, video library, modules included. Trading Bootcamp details are here. So when you click on the details, this is a page that would come up and explain to you. Value of $3,000 included in every single one of the packages, where every single minute you will be in the live market with Alpha Fibonacci system, with Alpha Fibonacci software. And most importantly, we will be focusing not just on trading, we will be focusing on your brilliant brain. Because when your brain is optimized, you are trading so much better. If you are a graduate of the course and you would like to join us in the bootcamp, please call or email me for a special graduate package, 925-257-4298 or info@fibinstitute.com. Thank you, traders, so much. It's been my joy being with you this morning.